Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to change your Home Depot phone number. Open the website, then click on the option that says My Account. Then a drop-down list will appear. There, you will see a Sign In button. Click on Sign In. Now, enter your email address. Then click on Continue. After that, enter your password. Then click Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see again an option for My Account. Click on My Account. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Account Profile. Click on Account Profile. On the left side menu of this page, you will see an Account Information section. Under Account Information, you will see an option for Security. Click on Security. Then on the Security page, you will see a section for Phone Number. Beside it, you will see an Edit button. Click on Edit. Before you proceed, a verification code will be sent to your current phone number in order to verify your identity. Once you receive the code, enter it, then click on the Verify button. Now, enter the new phone number you wish to use. Once entered, click on the Verify Phone Number button, and you will receive a verification code. Once you receive the code, just enter it and you'll successfully change your phone number. That's how you change your Home Depot phone number. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.